Yo, it's the Tornado here. I wanted to take a few moments. I wanted to talk to you guys for just a minute. Before I did, I want you to take a look at a photo right now, okay? That's my Throwback Thursday photo. And what I want to do is I want to take that guy in that picture and I want to throw him back. That was January 2nd, 2015, 6 weeks ago. Today is Thursday, February 12th, 2015. Only 6 weeks later. Throwback Thursday. Now let's take a few more photos in my progressions over the few weeks following that. Now I got pictures up until January 30th. What I did was, I boxed for a lot of years. And, I used to make weight. I used to do it some unhealthy ways. There were times, I fought as high as heavyweight. I fought as low as 165. I sat in the sauna for days. I ate lettuce for days. I'd be weak. I'd be dehydrated. And then when I was done boxing, I just started putting on weight. I didn't have a regimented diet anymore, and I needed to make a change. And thankfully, I stumbled upon a post from my friend Ashley, and I decided to make this change. Make this change in my life, And what I did was I signed up for a program, a 30-day fitness challenge program. And, there is some sacrifice to it. No diet goes without sacrifice. But the thing is, I'm not hungry. It teaches you how to eat. It teaches you what to eat, when to eat, how to make a balanced meal. And also, it's like when I do the workouts, it's like they were asking me, how do you feel? I feel strong. I feel healthy. That's the most important thing. And what's also great is they have a support group on there. People, online, they say, hey, you can do this. Here are some diet suggestions. Here's some recipe suggestions. You can do this. It's a great program. I highly recommend it to anybody. If that's something that you want to do, if you want to make the change to make your life better, now's the best time to start. They're running specials this weekend. And here's the thing, people say, well, it costs money. You know what, I'm actually saving money because I'm spending less in the cafeteria every day because my meals are already planned. I'm not buying $15, $20 worth of food. I'm very happy, and it's a program I highly recommend. And people say, you look great. No, I look better. But great is still a far way away, but we've only just begun. Stick with me, join me on this program, and I think you'll be very pleased with your results too.